Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are checking out Wyspell's new kit. This is their dried natural herbs with 40 pieces in here, and this box is so much fun. Oh my gosh. Let's get into it. Thank you so much to Wyspell for sending this my way. So they're natural herbs. Embrace the magic of nature with this enchanting collection of sacred herbs. Each herb has been carefully chosen for its energy, symbolism, and connection to ancient ritual traditions. This set includes 40 premium dried herbs, a balanced collection of flowers, roots, seeds, leaves, and bark, traditionally used in witchcraft rituals and spell work. Ritual accessories includes parchment paper and a crystal spoon to enhance your ritual experience. And Witchcraft Herbs Guide, learn the metaphysical properties, magical uses, and history and folklore of each herb. These herbs are intended only for ritual and magic use. So consult with a doctor if you have an allergic reaction. Make sure that you take precautions when handling the herbs if you have not done so already. All right. Let's open her up. Oh, very nicely packed. Okay. And then we do have a guide up here that has each correspondence. Fantastic. Oh, it smells so good. I can smell the mint already. Oh my gosh. They are wonderfully labeled as well. Look at that. Okay. So let's just go through it and see what we have in here. Here's the crystal spoon. Oh, how fun. I love these specific sized spoons because they're perfect for getting in any kind of little container as well. Okay, I guess we'll go from the back to the front here. Frankincense. Thyme. I love that we have the scientific or Latin name for it as well. Yarrow. White willow bark. That's one I haven't had in my herb collection before. I have newt. Isn't this mustard seed? Correct me if I'm wrong. Lemongrass. Blue lotus. Nice. Burdock root. Hops flower. Patchouli. Bay leaf. Bay laurel. Agrimony. And we've got comfrey, chamomile, and these are actually pretty hefty amounts too. Rosebud, lavender, love. I use that a lot. Stevia, peppermint. This is the culprit of the smell. Sweet wormwood. Look at that. Vervain. St. John's wort, rosemary, hyssop, sweet violet, cinnamon. It's not the stick or the ground, it's the actual bark. Plantain, jasmine, oak bark, mulberry leaf. That's a new one I don't have. Alfalfa. Some of these I don't have at all. Mullein, which is fantastic that we can get it in a set. Marigold, licorice root, knotweed. I don't have this either. Echinacea root, hawthorn, nettle, sage, clover, and motherwort. All right, then we have the parchment here. Let's just take a peek at it. Oh, nice. Okay, this might be really nice to burn too. It's thin like paper, but it'll be great to write whatever you want spell-wise on it. And natural dry herbs. Oh, this is nice. It's glossy. It gives you the chakra sign, the element, history and folklore, magical properties and uses, and ways to use. Okay, really like this because some of these are new to me that I've not used in any form of ritual or practice. And so the fact that you have ways to use helps a lot. I love the history and folklore. It's important to know that. And I love that you get different ways to use it for magical properties. This is fantastic. Let's see, what else do we got in the back here? That's it. I'm really excited about this because just this alone will be helpful. So if you are new to herbs, don't know what to get, don't know where to get it, some people are in, I'll say, a witchcraft desert when it comes to materials. So it's nice to have one of these kits that you can get a lot of herbs for your money all in one place, and to have the correspondences, to have the information all in one kit is going to be so beneficial to a lot of you. And I'm sure if you wanted to use this in like ritual baths, if you wanted to put them on your candles, if you wanted to put them like as candle decoration, this would be fine. They're all dried. So you're going to be able to utilize this in a lot of different ways for your practices. I'm really excited about this. I would love to know if there is a particular herb or root or whatever we have gone over here that you like to use a lot that maybe is harder to find. Is it included in this kit? Because that would be awesome to find out as well. And I really appreciate that they're not really tiny packets of the herb, because again, with these kits, sometimes they come with really small packets and you're like, well, I really use a lot of lavender, or I really use a lot of this root, and it's hard to come by. So it's nice that you get actually a good amount of it. And they're so well labeled. They're in a sealable bag. So even if you open it up, you can seal it right back again, and it keeps the smell, it keeps everything in, except for the peppermint. Let me tell you, the peppermint is always going to be a strong smell, and sometimes the lavender too. So I love that I get to smell that out of the box. That's so much fun. So this is great, especially those who do a lot with roots. This is a good one to find a lot of those, because sometimes those are hard to find. So like I said, very cool kit. I think if you are needing more herbs, or if you're just starting out, this would be perfect. So with all of that being said, I would now love to know what you guys think. This is kind of a quick video. And if you want me to kind of go through the book, let me know. We can find a few comments, then I can do some shorts where we read the different attributes of it, the different properties. Let me know if that's something that you're interested in. I'm excited about this. And now I would love to know your thoughts. Thank you so much to Wyspell for sending this my way. Oh, and I just noticed you have the elements on the bag as well. So you do have it listed on the box, but you do also have it not only in the book, but on the bag too. So if you need a quick pull, you can do that as well. I'm just overwhelmingly thrilled with this. I'm never going to get it back in the way it was originally, but that's okay. So thank you so much to Wyspell for sending this my way. I'm very excited about it. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. I know this was a bit of a short video, but sometimes those are great. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know if this is something that you are interested in. And if you've made it this far in the video, drop a little herb or sprig emoji to let me know you have. Have a wonderful rest of your day. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. And check this out. Everywhere that you can legitimately purchase it will be linked in the description box below. So that way you can go right straight to it. All right. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.